Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be continuing our project building Luigi's Pizzeria website. In the previous video, we created the Our Pizzas page of the website, and in this video, we'll be adding content to the Prices page. So let's get started. In the prices.html file, let's add our boilerplate code. Let's just update the title to say Luigi's Pizzeria. Then in the navigation bar, let's navigate to prices. You should see a blank page, but the title of the tab should say Luigi's Pizzeria. Now let's add a heading, a navigation bar, and a background image. This is the same as what we've added in previous pages. So let me copy and paste that from the HTML, from the pizzas.html file. So I'm going to take this H1 heading along with the unordered list down to the image and the line break. Copy that, paste it right in here, and you should see those items on the page. Next, we're going to add the pricing table for our pizzas. First, let me add an H2 subheading to indicate that I'm about to create a table for prices. Then I'm going to start creating the table. Start off with a table tag. Next, let's add a tr element, and this is where we're going to build the headings for our table. So th. So the headings that we want are toppings and the different sizes from slice all the way down to large. And next, we want to add another tr tag. And here we're actually going to put in some of the data starting with the cheese pizza. So this will be the first row. So add a td within the tr element. We call this cheese. That's going to be the first topping. Then for the slice, you say that's going to cost $3. For the small, it's going to cost $10. For the medium, let's say that costs $13. Finally, for the large, let's say that costs $15. And I'm going to repeat this for the pepperoni and the mushroom pizzas. So I'm going to copy and paste those and just update the topping and the prices. Let me do the mushroom, and I'm going to say that's $3.50 for the slice, $12 for the small, $15 for the medium, and $17 for the large. Now for pepperoni, the slice is going to cost $4, the small is going to cost $15, and medium $17, large $19. Next, let's add the footer underneath our table to close out the page. I'm going to add a paragraph tag, copyright symbol, some text. And there you have it. We've successfully created the prices page for Luigi's Pizzeria. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.